Hey everybody, how's it going? Well, I have a long overdue video for the 2017 Mustang. I ordered this. Everybody, how's it going? Well, I have a long overdue video on the 2017 Mustang. Hey everybody, how's it going? Well, I have another video on the 2017 Mustang, and today I will be replacing this GT plaque with this one that I had custom made over at White Madness Garage. And I will put the link in the description. I'm very happy with the quality of this. They will do pretty much any kind of custom design you want, custom colors, whatever. You may, if you're into Mustangs, you may have seen it over on Goon Squad's garage channel. It's just Goon Squad, actually. But I saw it and I loved it, and it's going to provide just a little extra touch. You can pick the color, and I chose the color that matches the kind of blue that I've got going on. So what you need to do is basically drill out those rivets on the factory one there, and they send this pre-marked, and they send you 4 rivets. Although I don't know where my rivet gun is offhand, but I've got it packed in a box. But it does have double-sided tape on the back, so I can, at very least, I can get this off and get this one put on there, and then that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna start drilling those out. I'm not gonna take the strut tower brace off of there. I'm just gonna put, you know, like a rag underneath or a towel or something to catch the shavings, and then drill those out. So stay tuned. Drilled out those factory rivets, and that didn't take long at all. But it feels like this is also held down with some double-sided tape, so I just need to kind of carefully pry this up, because I don't want to destroy this badge. I want to keep it. There. A little bend in it, but I can fix that. So I'm going to go ahead and clean up that adhesive and then put the new one on. The new plate is all mounted, and with the exception of these rivets right here, the holes are actually lined up on both sides. I just need to locate my rivet gun, then I'll secure those in place. But pretty happy with it. Adds a nice touch for car shows. Of course, no one else will have that except for me. Haven't really done much to the Mustang lately because it's pretty much exactly how I want it. So other than just driving it to some events and some shows here and there, I really don't drive it too awful much because I do work at home. I've got the truck and the Prelude and the Miata, so pretty happy with that. Once again, I'll place the link in the description below. So if you're interested, you can contact them and they can make one for you. So that'll pretty much do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the flip side.